Hello and happy Wednesday. We are one day before Thanksgiving of 2019. Wow, this year is going by fast. Today's project is extremely simple. You just grab a few things here and there, put it together, voila. But I always promise that if I have an inspiration, I will bring to you where I received or I found the idea. Now I purchased, I'm going to go right into this. I purchased this piece, that piece, and this piece, and then it just all came together. Okay, so I started out with this tray. Now, when I purchased this tray, I purchased it 2 months ago, and what I was going to do is add brackets underneath it, and I just redecorated my son's bathroom, and this was going to be a bathroom shelf, and I did something else that will be in a video upcoming in the future because I plan on doing household ideas for 2020 or for the winter. Anyhow, I didn't use it, so I thought, I'll just push it aside. Now, I purchased from Lakeside Collections. It is also an affiliation with LTD Commodities. They're both located in the same state, which is Illinois. And takes me about 5 to 7 days if I place an order to receive it. Never had anything broken, never had anything ripped, nothing. And I have been buying from these guys for about 4 years now. So this just came in because I was waiting on this wooden Christmas tree sign. I loved how it was decorated to form into a tree. That's what caught my eye. And then, of course, the poem. Christmas in heaven, what do? They come down to earth to spend it with you. So save them a seat, just one empty chair. You may not see them, but they will be there. Well, I always have been having this cute little rocking chair with the farmhouse pad. This is the way it came when I found it on eBay. And it's been on my craft desk. Now today, all I'm going to do is take this tray, and now I can still have that option of using brackets and placing this idea on the wall. Okay, so keep that in mind. This can be a shelf, but it is a serving tray is what it is. It's a farmhouse serving tray where you place snacks on it, place it on your lap, but it's heavy duty wood, so I wouldn't want to use it for that. I want to use it for a shelf. But anywho, all I'm going to do is just place this cute little poem and then the rocking chair for Grandma. And there we go. Easiest, simple DIY. And something that you can make. Just finding the things. Think of a project. Start hunting online for it. For the items. You'd be amazed what's out there. Just get something in your mind. And that's what I did. I knew I wanted a specific rocking chair. And I mean, there's rocking chairs galore out there. But when I seen that little farmhouse seat cushion, and then I also know my grandmother used to place cushions in her chair. That was perfect. And then when I seen this on Lakeside Collection, which is not in the catalog anymore, so they probably sold out, I said, why not? And speaking of the catalog, so this is their latest catalog. Check out those cute little gnomes. But anyhow, this is the company. Go online, open an account, tell them you're new. They can send you a catalog through the snail mail, or you can just start buying right then and there, and then a catalog will come in the mail or in the box that you order. Their shipping is reasonable if you buy a certain amount. But anyhow, I have a lot of items from them because in the 4 years I buy a lot of my outdoor products through these guys, my fairy garden products. Now, as you see, part of the farmhousey stuff. But they have all kinds of things. They have shawls, slippers, purses, men items. Basically, I look at this catalog as a home interiors and a gift giving idea kind of catalog, because they are very reasonable. They have items for your pets. Look at that, $3.49 for that heavy duty sweater. And look at the cup, the teacup. Isn't that cute? I have all types of stuff. Here's outdoor snowmen's. I have not had any issues. This is cute. These are little deer ornaments made with, it looks like that same material that's on this chair. So see, that catches my eye real quick when I turn the pages, because that's what I was looking for this year. Now, if I could just find Paris and glitz and glam for next year, that's what's going to be catching my eye after this Christmas. So, but yes, they have a lot of farmhouse, rustic, monogram, lettering, kids' toys. And this is where I picked up most of the items for this cute little DIY for this short video. And yes, I have purchased the rugs. Excellent quality and not bad price. Even for the larger size, it's only $60. And I have a large area rug in my kitchen from this company. It's easy to clean. I use the carpet cleaner on it once a year. So anywho, there you go. They even sell candy. And that's just a short little quick explanation where I find these cute little products to create this little Christmas memorial unit that you will see coming up in all my videos. If I don't find the brackets are downstairs, and then place this on a wall somewhere and get it off the craft table, because it is a good size now that it's on this piece of wood. But good quality stuff. That's the main idea on. And I think that's where I got these cute little 310 where I keep my, craft tools accessible to me. This is a company I think I picked it up from. I bought those too. I'm not kidding you. I buy a lot from these guys. I want to sign off now and wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Hug your loved ones. Enjoy the day. If you're a parade fan, watch the parade. See Santa Claus coming in at the end of the parade, if you believe in that. The basic idea is to have a good time. Tomorrow's not promised, so if you wake up in the morning, put your best foot forward, get out of bed. Make sure you make the bed too now. I'm still old-fashioned. I make my beds when I'm done. And start your day off with the right foot, with the good attitude. And when you look in the mirror, realize who's looking back is the main person you're responsible for. Take care. # art is freedom.